What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orkisa Garage. Today I'm doing 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee two-wheel drive. I'm doing the oil pressure sensor because when you cold start, you have the right pressure. Once the car warm up, the pressure just goes straight to zero. So I'm gonna show that to you. Let's go check the car. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So cold start right now. It's been sitting for a couple of days. Okay. I have the check engine. It's the auto sensor. So now it's all cold. You see the pressure are all good. So it's right here. So I'm gonna wait until it warm up. You'll see the pressure goes down to zero, and then I have the check gauge right here, and I'm gonna show you how to replace that because it's already like 210,000 miles, 210, so almost there. So you know, I think the pressure sensor, all the oil pressure sensor is still original. All right, the wrench that you need for this oil pressure sensor, it's a standard. The size are right here, 1 1/16. All right, that's the size. I'll show it to you because right here. All right, 1 1/16. So I'm gonna put that on the description later. So I'm gonna let it warm up the car, and then I'm gonna warm up the car, and I'm gonna show it to you what the oil pressure gauge looks like when the car is warm up. All right guys, as you can see, the pressure are low right now, and then if I rev up, see that, and then it's gonna go down. So it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be consistent, 70 psi, or whichever the old data telling you or the manufacturer spec telling you. If it's like this, it's not supposed to be like that when the car is idle. Either check your oil first, check the wiring, or the sensor itself is no good. It's not enough pressure coming out, so it's not measuring up. So right now it's supposed to be fully warm up. I'm just gonna cool down a little bit and then replace the oil pressure sensor. I'm just gonna cool it down because I don't want to get burned. Alright guys, I'm gonna show it to you where's the oil pressure sensor at. To loosen up the oil filter, and I'm gonna put it back later because the fuel pressure sensor is on this side. Okay, it's right here. That one is the fuel pressure sensor. So I'm just trying to take this one so I get the space for the big wrench. The next move is to take the oil pressure sensor. This one had the lock. I just have to take off the lock and then pop the connectors. I have this long pliers, straight pliers, so you can just take up the lock. Okay, lock is off. Let's leave it update. This is the lock. It's a red color tab from the connector. Connector is right here. All right, right here, and then That's where the pressure sensor right here. Okay, I'm trying to set up the camera. Hopefully we can get it. All right, so now everything is loose, so I'm just gonna take it in. And I have some downstairs. I have the catch fan, so our pressure is right here. Okay, alright guys, here's the new one. This one I get it from O'Reilly. It's a Master Pro. I don't have the, it doesn't have the Loctite, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tighten it up and then clean the connectors. Oh, come on. Okay, use the socket. Here's the 1/2. It's almost there. It's not enough yet. I think that should be fine, but I have to paste the connector just for me, just to make sure I don't have a hard time to put the connector later. Okay, one more. Okay, that's good. So I get the connector facing me. Okay, right there. And then I'm gonna clean the connector, guys. Hopefully I can set up this camera flashlight too. I'm gonna clean with the brake clean. And let's see if it works. Let it dry for now. And don't forget to put your lock. I'll put that later. I'm going to blow up more just to make sure. Alright. Put it in. And then I'm gonna put the lock. It's right here, guys. It's the lock right here. Just to make sure. Okay. Alright guys, so everything is I put it in, and then the lock, I'm gonna put everything back. And then I'm gonna put my oil filter too. I'm gonna put the filter. Alright, everything's good. Should be fine. Alright guys, it's not giving me the accurate pressure, so I'm not sure what's going on. I have to check the wirings and stuff. When I rev, it goes up. It could be the wrong oil, or it could be the fuel, the oil filter. I have to check.